everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Subhisani. Hope you are doing great. Now today I am with the solution to your queries as well as the question related to the NEET MDS 2023. First of all, let me tell you something. There is the review video out regarding the Karnataka dental colleges as well as for the Gujarat dental colleges, whether it is a government or whether it is the private. The review video is already out on my channel. So if you are new on my channel, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to check out these videos also. And if you didn't find the link, please DM me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen. Follow me there, ask for the link and then watch these videos very well, and that too till the end, right? The biggest question come in everyone's mind is why Karnataka state is so much into the NEET MDS counseling and so much into the minds of the NEET MDS aspirants. Because first of all, it is the only state where the number of colleges has been increased from previous year to this year, right? From 2021 to 2022, the number of colleges has been increased. Second reason is there is the quality education in Karnataka state in case of the MDS course, right? Followed by that, it is the only state which has 700 plus seats only for the MDS course. This was the data which was released last year, that is the NEET MDS 2022 counseling. Yes guys, this is the only state which has 700 plus seats, and that too only for the MDS course, including the government seats as well as the private seats. If we talk about the main branches that everyone is looking for, like for the OS, there is nearly about 90 seats in this state. Followed by for the Prosto, there is nearly about 87 seats. And for the orthodontics, nearly about 90 seats are present only in Karnataka. So there is a lot of opportunity to get the seat in Karnataka, right? Followed by that, if we talk about the fee structure, last year the fee structure of the Karnataka dental colleges for the MDS courses in the range from 7.5 lakh to 12.5 lakh, or it may be 13.5 lakh, right? Definitely there is a difference in the fees of the government quota seats and as well as the private quota seats, and for the private colleges having the government seats, right? In total, 450 private seats are available in Karnataka state only, and that too for the MDS course. On the other hand, private seats which are having the government seats in private colleges, right? In private quota we can say. Private colleges which are having the government seats in private colleges plus government seats in government colleges. The total combination number of seats available in Karnataka, that is 230 in number. So a big opportunity is there in Karnataka to get a seat. Last year, the seat matrix came a bit late. So everyone end up with the UP, Rajasthan and other states counseling, right? Karnataka state list or the seat matrix came bit late. So it is beneficial for the student to get the seats easily, right? In case of the Karnataka seat. Here, you can have an idea or a plan B that whatever the state you are looking for, if you didn't get the seat in that state, you can at least have a seat in Karnataka. No matter you belong to which state, you belong to which category, no matter you belong to which part of India. So that's why Karnataka is very important state in case of NEET MDS counseling. But not only the Karnataka, you can go for the Uttar Pradesh or the Rajasthan. I have released the Gujarat dental colleges review, whether it is the government dental college or the private dental college. So don't forget to check out that. And for the endo, you can think about those colleges also. So that's all about the important information as well as your questions and queries regarding the Karnataka state, that why everyone is looking for Karnataka, right? Even on my WhatsApp group, everyone is looking for Karnataka state schedules and everything, right? So it's my humble request that if you want to join, please join as fast as possible, because we are getting the updates regarding the NEET MDS 2023 counseling. So it will be beneficial for you only, and you can join and be there in that group till the end of the year or till the end of the counseling, right? That's all about the today's video. Hope you like this video, then hit the like button. Don't forget to share my videos. Thank you for watching, and if you still have any query, you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, or even you can DM me on my Instagram ID and ask for the link, or you can ask your questions as well. Thank you for watching.